Okay, I thought I would try a quick video on my fidget spinner Bedini. Quick run through. So this is the run battery, the charge battery. Positive goes in here. Oh, just to note that the positive and negative are connected here. Anyway, so it goes through this reed switch, and I've actually put a diode in here. This is the new feature I'm trying out. Comes back through there into the winding coil, and from there basically comes back to this point here, which is the collector on the transistor 2N3055, and also at this point it goes through this diode and out to the neon, which I have had glowing but not recently, but that is there to protect the transistor. And so then the other side of that goes around to the negative. Here's the variable potentiometer, variable resistor, a little diode and a resistor. The star coil is an experiment, and that is fed out separately, so it's nothing to do with it really at the moment. Let's just see if it's up and running. Oh, here we go. Fidget spinner Bedini.